We're working on a 2025 Ford F-150. We're doing suspension mods, wheels and tires, and hopefully I can get this thing out of here without it getting scratched. This may be the cleanest thing you've ever worked on. What's
Hear that power?
I know, right? So what made you go out there and buy a new truck?
I haven't had a brand new vehicle for myself since 1996.
Wow. All right, so we got front springs and rear
Shackles, yep.
What is this, 30-minute job?
I think they said 47 to be exact, but I guess we need to unload this stuff out of the back first.
Oh yeah, it probably, see, catch you using your thinker.
Well, I don't know about that.
I said, I didn't sign up for putting heads on anything. Why are you, what's the heads of that?
Santa came to see you a little early.
Oh yeah?
Figured tetanus might need something.
All right, well, we're no longer filming the truck today.
We're installing heads.
So the different color rockers, that's performance?
Yeah, one side's lighter than the other. Actually, I think they got UV'd.
Oh, okay,
for
being in the sun?
I think, and I got to get rid of this old man looking mud flap.
I was wondering what that was.
Yeah, it's coming off. We're putting these
So
on.
what do these look like?
That's just,
It's just an end cap?
yeah, it's just molds around the fender.
Now this is a modest drop. What is it?
Yeah, it's a 1.3, 1.5 front, 2 rear. Not going crazy.
Should we just scratch it somewhere so we can get over this? No?
I was gonna say, why are you worried so much?
Look at these old men in here fascinated by the technology that's 15 years old. You're already thinking on how to hack this, aren't you?
Oh no, it's already been done.
Going up.
Okay. You feel safer with that?
No, not at all. Did you have a good Thanksgiving, Carrie Bill? You say not really?
Swimming last night.
Oh, I'm assuming a heated pool, or you just got a little out of hand?
There was a pool.
Okay. The drive shaft is insane.
It's bigger than the whole truck.
Let's make it aluminum so it's lightweight, but it's gonna be about a foot wide. Just cleaning. I know the only reason you bought this kit.
Yep,
The blue springs.
because of the blue springs. You got that right. I'm getting geared up for this. See, they sent new U-bolts because in the instructions, as I'm reading through it, they're talking about pulling out a spacer block. Well, I don't have a spacer block on the 2-wheel drive. So, and there's also another shim in there. That's for the transmission, to raise the tail of the transmission up if need be.
This might be the cleanest thing that you've ever worked on.
Thanks, I think. I don't really understand how
Was that a compliment? Man, what? Hell, that's not even rubber. That's just a piece of.
Yeah, it's just like a piece of cardboard. I almost feel like it's a delivery thing that didn't take off. They charge you prep on this vehicle? Dad pad, that's what it is.
Dad pad. Oh, that feels so much better. I might put it under my head though.
Alan, we can pick it up. It is on a lift.
Well, I don't know if you wanted to work down here or not.
No, I don't.
Okay, well, let's raise it up.
Let's take it loose at the top because it's easy. Are those pressed in there?
I think they are. Is it?
Yeah, just like rubber dead blow.
Did we read all the precautions on this?
I didn't read anything.
It says it's gas filled.
Oh, well, get the torch. Get out your prying device. Not really a hammer. It's hammer-ish.
I can already sense the frustration in Blaine's.
Oh, did you hear me
huff.
heavy sigh?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, the news worn
There
off
you
of
go.
this already. Got it.
Alan, you're the wiring guy, right?
No, not at all.
You got everything marked you want to mark? Or
I think so.
Okay. And what's the point of that? Just so we know it all goes back to
Yeah, just kind of index all this back in line.
All right. Oh yeah, we'll get that out. How crazy do I need to get here, Alan?
Well, basically we just need to take the tension off of that and then pull that nut off of the top.
It's moving, so I'm assuming that's enough.
Well, I guess now we need to loosen those up. Just need to turn that.
Let's set it up.
Maybe. Might make life a little easier.
Yeah, that's under a lot of compression there. You know, I come out here for the safety of the people in my shop to do this.
I mean,
And all I get is kicked in the ding. And they say don't use an impact with this. Get out of here with that mess.
there it goes.
That's it. Nah. This guy's funny though. He tells me, I didn't want to lower it too much because it is a daily. Got the widest drag radial I've ever seen in my life.
Well, you know my thing about big, wide, fat tires.
What?
I like them.
Mr. Allen circled the washer and bolts scenario before we took it off. Took it off before we took it off
Took it.
to hopefully avoid needing an alignment. So
Well, at least have it really, really close.
that's not in the instructions, kids. You only get that from Mugg Customs, or is it in the instructions?
It's in the instructions.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, that made it a lot easier. Fit on a Crown Vic.
Oops.
What was that? Surprisingly, it wasn't as hard as I thought it'd be.
Don't go jinxing us again.
No, I'm just jinxing everybody.
What are you tightening up?
Top shock, why?
Oh, just asking.
You want me to leave it loose?
No.
I'll just hand tight them. That way it won't rattle when you leave, only like 300 miles later. Could you do springs, upper and lower control arms and get like 5 inches to drop?
They make some other kits.
Do they?
Probably get us a little bit lower, but I think they make a 3.4 or 3.5. Blaine's been putting his tools away when we get done with them.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Actually, I'm not. That's just the way I roll.
Literally can't even clean it. He's a liar. He's not cleaning up after nobody.
Just tighten up on yours? I think it was spinning on me.
I just tightened the lower ones.
Okay. This is for a transmission mount?
Yeah. Let's see. Think we can come down a little bit more and
Just get it up over the frame.
compress the spring.
I'm watching the front. Y'all tell me on the back.
Keep on coming. About right there. It's not clear yet. Okay. Keep on going. Keep on, keeping on. A little bit more. Okay.
You got the other one?
Yeah, I already got that side out.
Coming down, Alan.
Okay. Right there for me. Maybe I should clean that before I put it over the dirt.
I think it's going to do a Pro Charger instead of a Whipple. What do they call these parts that you're replacing, Alan?
New. What brand?
No, just what is this part? Is it a mud flap?
Oh, those?
Yeah.
Yeah, they refer to those as arrow guards or something.
What year model is this? 25?
25, yeah.
So what's the opinion here on this pinion shim? We gonna put it in?
Man, what do you think? I mean,
We could drive it and just see.
yeah, it's kind of what I was leaning towards because, I mean, it's not like we're lowering it just boatloads.
It's all right. Good God, it's a lot of time. Oh, you're gonna be money, man.
Click.
Click.
Don't say that.
Ding.
Kapow.
I'm trying to sleep over here. What are you kicking me
Kicking
for?
on you.
There you go. All right, there should be one right there. I guess it's the channel. Oh! Okay, so Alan's truck is nice, like super nice. The thing runs really well. It's gonna run even better eventually. Full disclosure, truck doesn't sit as low as it's going to. Probably do the upper and lower control arms in the front, and then I guess shackles or whatever continues to lower it on the back. I don't know if that's a flip kit altogether or what. On these Fords, if you get in a scenario where the front wheels and tires aren't the same height as the rear wheels and tires, it creates utter chaos. You get brake sensor warnings, tire pressure warnings. So there's some security stuff, some crash prevention that just goes berserk. The displays just lighten up every code it's got. What Alan did to solve that is he just put a larger tire on the front that matches the rear, so the outside diameter is the same. It's a taller tire, but once we did that, all the warning lights went away. Everything was back into a happy state. So you're talking about a couple of old dudes trying to get into some new technology here, and we'll get there. It's just a learning curve, and you know, we learned something from it. So it's a very nice truck. I'm looking forward to working on it, even though I'm a nervous wreck when it's on my left. This may be the quietest vehicle I've ever ridden in. Whoops.
Uh-oh. They dropped the camera?
This is Jorge. Jorge went to muggcustoms.com and bought a t-shirt for all his Christmas gifts. If you hate Christmas shopping like the rest of us, be like Jorge. Go to muggcustoms.com, buy a t-shirt, buy a sticker, buy a t-shirt and a sticker. Be like Jorge. Not like Jorge's elf.